Certain times can feel overwhelming, and when you struggle for answers, when you can overcome life's challenges. Okay, so this is my Hunter ceiling fan from the early, maybe late 1990s. If I'm correct, I think it's from 1992. Forget the model name, but it's out on my back deck, as you can see. And I kind of want to do an update slash another video on this fan, because I don't know if I have a video of this fan on the channel yet. So right now it is running on high speed with the lights. Then that is the only speed that it runs on. As you can hear the motor humming, if you can hear that. Don't mind the bike and the weed whacker out here. That's my dad and that's my sister's. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it off just for the video, then we're gonna turn it back on because I want to show you the spin down time. And I am filming with the flash so you can see it, because it is pretty dark outside, as you can see. Should have pointed my phone over there instead of over there in the first place, but I really don't care. And the video quality is a little different. That's because I recently got a new phone, so just want to get that out of the way before anyone comments. Yeah, this ceiling fan, this Hunter ceiling fan, looks similar to the Westinghouse Turbo Jets ceiling fan, I think it's called. At least I don't know if it's called a Turbo Jet. Let's see if we can focus this. Here we go. There is the Hunter badge on the side of the fan. And now it is outside, so spin down time is going to be a little longer because of the wind out here, but it's not that windy out here. Sorry about the camera going in and out of focus. I have no idea what that is, but yeah, don't mind the stuff out here. This is the switch for it, the top one. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it back on. It doesn't really have a startup sound, but if you listen closely, if you ignore the background noise and listen carefully, you can hear the motor humming inside the fan. Okay, I think the light just burnt out. In the middle of filming the video, I think the light actually burnt out in the fan. Cause this light right here is still on. When it cut out, I thought I thought I lost power. I'm like, wait, what? No, it's still running. That light's still on. Okay, so, this light bulb that's in here, I think is original to the fan. And it just burnt out. After years of running this fan with the light on, it finally just gave up. But the fan itself seems to be running fine. So, I'm gonna have to change that. Because, this was originally on because my dog, it's really dark outside, and my dog's gonna come out here in a little bit. But now I'm gonna have to change that. But the LED spotlight, the GE spotlight over there still is on, as you can see. That's the same bulb. I don't know if that's a GE bulb that's in there or what brand, but this bulb, as you can see, has a GE logo on it. So does this one. I did not know those were GE until I actually found out last summer when I was sitting right there talking to my friend on video call, and I had this running and I had that on, and then I looked and I'm like, oh, that's GE bulbs. That's pretty cool. But the blade, as you can see, is pretty off balance. It's not that off balance, but it works. It's actually blowing no air. Well, it is blowing air, like right here where my hand is, but it's pretty cold out here. And it's outside. So, I don't think an indoor ceiling fan will work pretty good outside, but this thing's been out here for years. So, yeah. Oh, and don't mind the Christmas lights. Those have been up. That and these lights have been up here for years. And I don't think those LEDs work. These are not LEDs. I don't think these lights work. At least I'm not sure, but I gotta get out here tomorrow. I don't even know when. Well, I gotta do it as soon as possible. So, in the next video, you'll see, I'm probably gonna be changing the light bulb and this ceiling fan, and I have no idea how to take one of these apart. So, that's gonna be a first. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Don't know what that was. But yeah, this light in this globe has been on with this fan. When you turn the fan on, the light comes on. It's been doing that for years. And it just stopped working. So, I'm going to have to change that, but it's no big deal. Unless I can't get those screws out, then that's going to be a real problem, but it doesn't really matter. Show you the fan from different angles. There's the side with the hunter badge. This fan was originally in my sister's room. Now it's been out here for quite a while. I got to film the Hampton Bay in the kitchen too, but that's for another day. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. You know, I'm actually gonna leave that one. That light comes on with the fan, so I'm gonna leave the fan on just in case my dog comes back out here. But in tomorrow's video, which I'm probably gonna be uploading twice, because I need to do a video on the dehumidifier in the basement. See if I can get the fan motor off it. But until then, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.